Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Consulting Pro and welcome to another episode of Azure Fridays. In this video, we are going to explore 4 key strategies that help you to reduce cloud costs, and not only that, these key strategies are going to help you to improve overall cloud infrastructure inside your organization. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. My name is Ajay Kumar and I talk about Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Azure. If you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest videos and updates. As many of you know, cloud computing has revolutionized the IT industry by providing unprecedented scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. However, as organizations are moving their more and more workloads on the clouds, then there are certain challenges are arising. For example, cost savings. So how to tackle that? Well, Microsoft Azure provides a lot of tools and technology. With the help of that, you can manage the cost of your cloud infrastructure. And in this video, we're going to talk about 4 of them. I'm sure these are going to help you in order to reduce the cost of your cloud resources. Number 1, right-sizing your resources. One of the most effective ways to reduce your Azure cost is by right-sizing your resources. This means analyzing your resource utilization and adjusting your resource allocation to match your workload requirements. For example, if you have a virtual machine that is consistently running at a low utilization rate, you may be able to save some money by downsizing it. That means you really don't need to use a lot of memory or maybe other kinds of vCPUs, CPUs over there. So you need to monitor that constantly, like what is the pattern and how much do you really need. And if you don't need, then you can downsize your virtual machine over there. That's how you can do right sizing your resources. Number 2, cost management tools. Microsoft Azure provides you a cost management tool where you can see where you are using what kind of resources and how much it's going to cost you. Not only that, you can also see the forecast cost. You can also define your budgets over there, and once that budget is going to reach over there, it's going to stop. So by utilizing the cost management tools with Microsoft Azure, you can definitely improve the cost management for your cloud resources. Number 3, implementation of automation. And what is this? Well, guys, automation can help you reduce your Azure cost by eliminating manual tasks and reducing the risk of human error. Azure offers a range of automation tools such as Azure Logic Apps and Azure Functions that can help you automate common tasks and workflows such as provisioning resources, deploying applications, and monitoring performance. Finally, you can save a lot of cost by leveraging Azure hybrid benefits. When you work with Microsoft Azure, you get the flexibility to work with your on-premise resources as well, along with public cloud services provided by Microsoft Azure. And that is your hybridization. Over here, you are using some of the on-premise resources and other services provided by Microsoft Azure. For example, you can use your existing Windows or SQL Server licenses, and that's how you can optimize the cost as well over there. In conclusion, I can definitely see that if you are going to follow these 4 key strategies while implementing your Azure cloud infrastructure inside your organization, you can save significant amount of money. However, if you have any question and concern, please don't forget to let us know. You can comment in the comment section. And also, if you are looking for any kind of training programs, please don't forget to connect with us. See you in the next video.